Welcome to this beginner-friendly guide to Adobe Experience Manager. In this video, we will explore AEM's user interface and its key components. By the end, you will understand how to navigate AEM, what CRXDE is, and where to find different tools for development and content authoring. Okay, so open your browser and enter the AEM instance URL, and after that, log in using your credentials. Mhm. Okay, and you will be directed to AEM welcome screen. Let's explore AEM's main console, which is navigation panel where you can have sites, fragments, assets, forms, projects, and tools. So in sites, you can manage web pages and site structures. In experience fragments, you can have reusable content sections, and in assets, you can manage images, videos, and content. In forms, you can create and manage digital forms, and in projects, you can organize tasks and workflows. Okay, and there is tools, right, where you can have various administrative settings and configurations. So now let's navigate to sites and open any of the project. Okay, you can see a tree structure representing sites pages, just like this. And you can select any of the page, click on the page to open it in AEM page mode. So if you click here in edit, you will see page editor overview here, where you can see this header bar, which provides options to edit, preview. Also you can see page properties. Also you can publish page, unpublish page. You can also start workflow from here. Okay, and there is a site panel here where you can see assets, components. Also you can see content tree here. So if you click any of the components title, you can easily navigate to those components easily from here. Also you can see the tree structure of your page, okay, from here. And also you can play with components. So suppose if you want to drag any components here, suppose you want to drag image here, you can just simply drag and drop the components just like this. You can also add list here. Okay, if you want to add button, you can add button over here just like this. So you can play with page editor, and whenever you are done editing, you can just preview it and see how does your page look. Okay, you can also switch to edit more later and again edit your page. So these are all the out of the box component. Means this is the pre-built component that you can have and you can modify or customize it as per the requirement. So it basically saves your time to create the component from scratch. You can just modify this out of the box component and use it as your own requirements. Okay, so let's move on to another topic, CRXDE Lite. So let me tell you how you can open CRXDE Lite. So basically you can go to tools and open CRXDE Lite, but also you can remember the URL. So suppose if you are here and if you want to navigate to CRXDE Lite, you can just remember CRXDE and it will open for CRXDE Lite for you. So what is CRXDE Lite? What it stands for? So CRXDE stands for Content Repository Extreme Development Environment. Okay, where you can have you can explore each and everything hierarchical structure. You can have all the nodes with you. You can have your built-in out of the box component with you. So you can view and edit AEM content in hierarchical format. Also you can create and modify components, dialogues. Also you can have OSGi configurations here, or you can also debug, inspect codes, properties, and scripts. Okay, so I'm not explaining in details. as of now for this demo, but I just want to make sure that you understand what CRXDE Lite and why we are using it, right? So basically, CRXDE Lite is built-in Java Content Repository Explorer, where you can view and edit AEM content in hierarchical format. I'm repeating all the stuff again. So it's just like you can create and modify components, dialogues, and OSGi configurations, and you can debug and inspect nodes, properties, and scripts. So AEM provides several tools for developers. Just like CRXDE Lite, there is another console, OSGi Console. To navigate to that console, you just have to remember this URL, system console, and you will be able to navigate to that console, which is called OSGi Console, where you can manage your bundles and configurations. So that was the quick overview of AEM UI. We covered the basics of navigating to AEM using the page editor, CRXD Lite, and developers tool. In upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into component development, workflows, and customizations. So thank you for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.